everyone, welcome back to my video. In this video, we're gonna discuss about verb. First, we discuss of definition of verb. Verb is a word that describes an action, occurrence, or state of being. Okay, now we continue to the function of verb. The first function is expressing action. First is action verb. Action verbs describe what the subject of the sentence does. Example word like run, jump, write, speak, sing, throw, climb, dance, read, and listen. For example, like I jump. The next function is linking the subject of information. First is linking verbs. Linking verbs connects the subject to a subject complement, which provides more information about the subject. Example of common linking verbs. First is to be, like am, is, are, was, were, being, been. For example sentence like we were late for hospital. Second is to become, like becomes, become, and becoming. For example sentence like I want to become a teacher. The third is to seem, like seems and seems. For the example sentence like the cake seems delicious. The next is additional linking verbs. Additional linking verbs. Some other verbs can act as linking verbs when they are used to state of being or condition. The third function is helping or auxiliary function. First, helping verbs. Assign the main verb to form different moods or voice. The next is common helping verbs. The first example like be. Be used to form continuous and passive tense. The example sentence like she is wine king. The second is have. Have used to form perfect tense. For the example sentence like he has finished his job. The third is do. Do used for emphasis, questions, and negatives. Example sentence like do you like pizza? The next is auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs, also known as helping verbs, are used alongside main verbs to form different tense, moods, and voice of verbs. They assist in creating complex verb forms, helping to convey nuances of meaning such as time, possibility, necessity, or obligation. The next is common auxiliary verbs. First is be, like am, is, are, was, were, being, and been, used to form continuous or progressive tense and the passive voice. For the example, the first example, continuous tense. Example sentence like she is writing a story. The second is passive voice. The example sentence is the story was written by her. Okay. The next is have, like have, has, had, used to form perfect tense. For the example, present perfect, like the example sentence like he has finished his job. Okay guys, now we continue to the characteristic of verb. Characteristic of verb like action or state, tense, aspect, mood, voice, person, number, uh, transitive. Now we continue to the types of verbs. Type of verb. First is action verb. Action verbs are words that express physical or mental actions. For the example, like run, jump, write, speak, cook, read, build, dance, think, and create. Any example like sing, swim, and etc. The next is verbs helping bring sentence to life by showing the action being performed. The next is action verb. Action verb tells what action or often a physical action a subject is performing, has performed, or will perform. For the example like my sister delivers packages to department stores each day. The second example like Philip bowled a perfect game last night. And the third example like Jovanka skate across the ring in Central Park. Okay guys, that's all the definition, function, types, and characteristic of verb. In the next video, we will discuss about adverb. See you guys!